Let's make a crunchy veggie packed chicken salad that we can prep and have for the whole week. Found this recipe here on TikTok and I've been dying to try it ever since I saw it. We've got a lot of veggies going on. We've got a lot of chopping to do. So first things first, we're gonna do that. I'm leaving on a lake trip for the weekend with my family. I'm gonna bring this with me and have it kind of be like our fun little lunch snack every day. First things first, slicing some cucumbers. I'm gonna use this mandolin because that just makes it super easy. And when I say a lot of cucumbers, I kind of mean a lot. Slow and steady here. It's good enough. I'm doing it on like its thickest setting so that they're not like super thinly sliced. All right, next I'm doing the same thing with some mini bell peppers. I want to get like little rings of the bell pepper. Ooh, I didn't think about the seeds. Oops. Maybe when you get to the seeds, you stop. I just heard the microwave go off because I'm steaming some edamame. We're just adding as much as we can. All right, we've got cucumber, we've got bell peppers. Let's get the edamame. I'm gonna have those cool down for a little bit. I'll add the other items. We are adding some red onion. Gonna chop that up. All right, the recipe calls for like thin sliced red onion. I'm not doing as much red onion as I did with the other veggies because sometimes it can be a little overpowering. Now we gotta chop up some cilantro and just rip that off and wash this. Let's chop. Sprinkle that in. I'm gonna grab the chicken. All right, I definitely went lazy on this part of the recipe, but gotta do what you gotta do. And I bought pre-pulled chicken. You can use rotisserie pulled chicken. You could like use diced chicken breast if you wanted to do that, but this was just the easiest option for me. So I'm gonna dump that in. We're doing a lot. Edamame is ready, so we're gonna add that in as well. Now let's do our dressing. We're gonna make the dressing in here and then pour it over everything. Okay, I know you guys are gonna hate me for this, but we're gonna kind of free ball the dressing because I definitely did a lot more veggies and everything than the recipe calls for. So I'm gonna do like a decent amount of lime juice, probably like a 1/4 to a 1/3 cup. I'm gonna go in with some olive oil, maybe like a 1/3 of the same amount of that lime juice. Then we've got some honey. I'm thinking like a nice big squeeze. I'm so sorry, you guys. I know this is not helpful. Then we're doing like a tiny, tiny spoonful, not even that much, like maybe like that much of minced garlic and some salt. All right, let's shake her up. Okay, let me try. Honey, need some honey. If you like it a little more zesty, then maybe less honey, but I'm kind of wanting mine a little more sweet. Oh, yes. Go ahead and pour that all over. Let's see, I'm gonna give it a toss and see if we need more. We need all of it. Wait, yum. This looks so good. I'm sorry. Does that not look like the yummiest thing ever? Oh, I am so excited for this. We also go in with some feta cheese, so don't forget about that. This is gonna hit the spot. I might eat this whole bowl. What do we think? Should I just eat this whole thing myself? All right, let's do a taste test. Get a little bit of everything on there. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, that's freaking good. Okay, you need to make this. It is so yummy.